Alright guys, we're back here with the 17DOF robot kit. That was a big disaster, but what you see here is a very edited version of that. And, well, my daughter wanted to give it some accessories, so she just put that on top. It's kind of cute. But anyway, what we have here is actually two kits, not just the one on its own. We'll try to figure out how that will go on here. But what this thing can do now, which it couldn't before, is it has ankle rotation.
It has splits rotation.
Can it move out of the way? Otherwise they can't see. You're still in the shot? Still in the shot?
Yeah,
Okay.
this type of thing.
Yeah. It is able to do a full split, which it couldn't do before.
And then it can go beyond, which is called a oversplit if you don't do ballet.
Very good. That's right.
And hi.
It has the ability to move forward and back, so it's almost like a human, except it doesn't have the ability to move the toes up and down. That's the only thing it's missing right now. I could put that in, and it also doesn't have leg rotation. Let's say you had the toe pointing this way, you can't turn the toes going that way. That's the only things that's really missing. Of course, it's also missing its arms, but we'll put those in here.
Yeah, I mean,
and it'll be able to go all the way up here.
It's so funny.
And all the way back down here. It'll have shoulder movement.
Yeah.
Like so. And it will have a bit of an elbow, but I'm not sure if I'm going to give it more motion than that. Possibly it will be able to open this up and to pick up objects, but we don't know yet because this whole piece here is really heavy, so I'm not sure if it's going to hold well. At least it won't be held only by a little thing here. I've made it so now that it's going to be a lot sturdier. But it's still a work in progress. The head will be able to turn left and right. And I don't know if I'm going to put an extra motor in the middle to give it the actual torso twist. But we'll see how it goes. We'll keep you posted and hope that this turns out to be a good project.
So, see you later. Oh, you forgot your lunch.
Bye. See you in the next video.